What was I saying?
I didn't hear any air.
I thought I heard air. Well, it's blood now.
Yeah, no shit.
How much do you hate me right now?
This is gonna take hours. We're not even close speed up.
I mean, I'll do what needs to be done.
It's literally gonna.
I mean, should we go down more?
How many coats clear did he put on? You said.
There's 5 right where you're standing.
Okay, but does it cover the flames too?
Yes, there was an extra coat on the flames. There's 4 coats on the door with an extra coat on the flames, like where you're standing.
Okay.
Because of this.
Yeah. No, I mean, this is gonna work. It's gonna take.
Now, why that and not water?
This is more lubricative. More lubrication to it.
Okay.
And it stays on. Yeah, well,
The new radiator, I thought was the same size on the top. Apparently is not. I guess we could.
just turn it up, keep the hood off, so we start it.
If I just take this down. Well, just straight so it comes in a little more, you know what I mean?
Or just turn it straight up.
I mean, there's always that option.
Just have it set. I mean, if you're just trying to start the damn car.
Well, and getting it tuned.
It doesn't need the hood for being tuned.
I wasn't going to put a hood on it for people to get tuned.
Yeah, Brandon called me about the key breakdown.
Well, that's good. Unless he's in jail.
Yeah, not my problem.
Yeah, no.
Because Sam, mechanically sound. Being jealous.
That's a you problem, no.
Yeah, I told him, I was like, look, man, like, if you want, you give me $500, I'll drive it down. Or I'll haul it down. You buy me, the freighter will haul it.
Yeah, I was going to say, I know how that goes. I mean,
Yeah. Good luck. You scared as I am?
I don't know, scared.
Nervous?
Not really nervous, just trying to think that I did everything.
I mean,
Like, what didn't I take care of?
how loud is this thing?
What?
How loud is this thing?
Oh, it's not quiet. So here's the deal. We gotta look for leaks.
Yeah, prime fuel. Let's see if there's any leaks anywhere.
Yep, we'll do that because it hasn't had fuel yet. And then when I do start it, has the radiator cap is off. I'm so soaking wet, I can't even get the west.
Yeah, is this your antifreeze that was knocked over down here that fucking was leaking?
No, that's not antifreeze.
Whatever that is.
That is weed killer.
Leaking?
Yeah, that's great. Guess the floor's gonna die. No, there's some water in that orange one right there. So once it gets going, we can pour a little in there.
Looking for prime.
Where's the little funnel? Oh, grab the little funnel on the ground right there. That's the one I was using for. Fuck, I don't know if that's gonna work because of the.
What?
Because of this.
Where's mine? Where's mine?
We used to.
Yeah, I can tell what you did with that.
Yeah, every time it would hit that, then he would just put a new sticker on it. What's gonna do with the. Alright, so the breather's all hooked up. The coolant lines are. I don't know what we're gonna do about these lines right here. They're just sitting for now. I can't go to the standoffs like I wanted to. It's not gonna work.
See, well, I mean, damn it, an idea.
Yeah.
So they may be able to create something that comes up and
Yeah.
hooks this.
Holds it there. Because that's essentially where it holds up there.
Right there. Hooks it, hold it. That's good.
So I think everything is good to go. I don't know.
Find out. Just don't start it yet. Just give it a brine.
Yep.
A few brine. I think it's three or four brines.
Yeah. it's not nice in there. Oh.
Alright, stop.
What's up?
Give it a second and do it again.
It won't reprime.
That's fine, hold on.
I ain't got no leaks, Bri.
You gonna try starting it or it?
I don't know.
Hold on, before you start it, let me get a light shined under there. Where's your big shitty one at?
On the ground. Right while you're.
I see it. Let me put this under there
Yeah.
so I can see, and I'm gonna get down. I'm not gonna wash the top as much as I'm gonna wash the bottom.
Yeah.
Hold on.
I'm a little worried about fuel, but
Alright.
we still look good on fuel.
I mean, you got no leaks down here at all. Nothing's dripping.
Ready?
Hold on, stop. I got a leak.
What is it? Where?
Fucking, I don't know. Looks maybe fuel.
Yeah, it's a steady leak.
What?
Yeah, it's a steady leak.
A fuel?
I don't know if it's fuel or not. It's just a steady drip. It's gotta be fuel.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's fuel.
Yeah, it's fuel. Smell it. Where'd you come from?
Right here. It's the B nut. Hey bud.
If I wanted to get under there, it'd be a lot easier for me to see. I'm just falling and then try to look everywhere up here. That was a bit wrong. Could just be residual here.
I don't think. Nope, that was a tight either.
Alright, let's check all the fuel lines.
Yeah. What was I say?
I didn't hear any air.
I thought I heard air. Well, it's bled now.
Yeah, no shit.
She's steady leaking.
Still? Yeah, no, I'm not gonna light it all up.
Definitely steady. So what happened was with that fucking fuel rail is when the assholes who put this wired the car and finished off for me. So it's supposed to be a dash.
Yeah.
It's a dash 6 in,
I see what they did.
and they tried to put a bigger dash in there, and they just forced it in there, and then it leaked. So what I did was put a big one through with a jam nut and O-ring on it, and it worked for the longest time. But apparently now,
Let me clean this all off. We'll see.
it's just dumping fuel now. It's just a dump.
Yeah, there's only a dump that's in here. So.
Only O-ring is trash. God damn it.
Threads don't look too deep on it.
Well, the problem is they upsized the threads, essentially.
Why do we have people like this?
Bro, seriously. Scumbags.
Paid professionals, bro.
Yeah. This is a shop I paid to wire the car, put an exhaust on it, and get it ready for me because the thing was I was in Sicily on deck. So I couldn't finish the car in time. So I paid people.
I'm putting this outside.
Well, now at this point I'm trying to shove a fucking bigger one in it.
Yeah.
If I have the one that came out of it. It is fucked now.
I mean, I've got some fittings.